Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert and attach a DXF file as an XREF inside of Survey Crew. So what I'm going to do to begin here is select the Survey tab at the bottom of my screen, and within my Survey tab here, I'm going to select Layer Settings. Now to add my XREF file here, I'm going to click on Add at the bottom left corner and locate my file from the menu. Now, once I've found my file here, I'm going to select it from the menu. You can see here it gives me some basic parameters on my file, including the boundaries of where it will show. Select OK to save it to your file. And now if we head over to our survey screen here, what we're going to see is if we zoom to the extents of the project, we will have this lovely DXF file attached and ready to be worked upon. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you attach an XREF file inside of GeoMeasure's Survey Crew. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.